AXA Life Insurance App. The pros, the cons. Most people think life insurance is complicated, but the AXA Life Insurance App makes managing policies surprisingly simple. You won't believe how much control it puts in your hands. The app allows users to view and manage their life insurance policies, track premium payments, and access digital policy documents instantly. You can also submit claims directly through the app and monitor their status in real time. AXA provides tools for financial planning, helping users calculate coverage needs, plan for retirement, and even explore additional insurance products. A major advantage is the convenience. Policyholders can update personal information, beneficiaries, and contact details without needing to call customer support. Push notifications keep users informed about payment due dates and policy changes. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's advanced planning tools may be confusing for first-time users, and some features may be limited depending on your country or plan. Additionally, more complex claims or questions often still require contacting an AXA representative. In conclusion, the AXA Life Insurance App is an excellent resource for managing life insurance efficiently. Its combination of policy access, financial planning tools, and real-time claim tracking provides both convenience and peace of mind. While beginners may need some time to explore all features, it's a reliable app for staying on top of life insurance needs and making informed decisions about coverage.